Hi everybody, I hope you're having a great day as I am. Now in this very short video I'm going to share a pet food storage hack that I've been using since last year. The idea is very simple. Use empty water bottles. All you have to do is to make sure that they're clean and dry. Let's not forget the funnel. You can make one if you have an extra bottle. This is me demonstrating how it's done. Please pay attention and please do be careful not to cut yourself. You can cut off the little plastic thing if you want. It's completely optional. Again, please be careful. Alright, let's give it a try. Don't you like the sound of that? And that's it. Thank you so much for making it this far. Once again, have a great day. Bye.